Hello everyone. Welcome to our English vocabulary revision video. Whether you're preparing for your entrance exam or just want to improve your English skills, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go through some important words, their meanings, and how to use them. By the end of this video, you'll have a stronger vocabulary and more confidence in your English. So, let's get started and have some fun learning new words together. Vocabulary practice questions. 1. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. The water in the lake isn't clear. A. Dirty. B. Clean. C. Noisy. D. Cold. 2. Which word means the same as happy? A. Sad. B. Joyful. C. Tired. D. Angry. 3. What is the opposite of big? A. Tall. B. Small. C. Wide. D. Long. 4. Choose the word that best fits. She is feeling very, because she lost her toy. A. Happy. B. Sad. C. Excited. D. Brave. 5. Which word describes something that is used to write? A. Ruler. B. Pencil. C. Eraser. D. Notebook. 6. What is the opposite of hot? A. Warm. B. Cold. C. Sunny. D. Bright. 7. Choose the best word to complete the sentence. The cat is sleeping the sofa. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. Under. 8. Which word means to move quickly? A. Walk. B. Run. C. Sit. D. Stand. 9. What is the opposite of easy? A. Simple. B. Hard. C. Fun. D. Quick. 10. Choose the word that best describes a person who helps others. A. Teacher. B. Doctor. C. Helper. D. Friend. 11. Which word is a type of fruit? A. Carrot. B. Apple. C. Potato. D. Onion. 12. What is the opposite of no? A. Maybe. B. Never. C. Yes. D. Always. 13. Select the word that best describes the weather. A. Rainy. B. Sunny. C. Windy. D. All of the above. 14. Which word means a place where you buy food? A. School. B. Market. C. Park. D. Hospital. 15. What is the opposite of young? A. Old. B. New. C. Small. D. Big. 16. Which word describes a loud sound? A. Whisper. B. Scream. C. Silence. D. Quiet. 17. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. He has a big of books. A. pile. B. Table. C. Chair. D. Window. 18. Which word means a thing you wear on your head? A. Glove. B. Hat. C. Shoe. D. Shirt. 19. What is the opposite of full? A. Empty. B. Heavy. C. Big. D. Bright. 20. Choose the word that best describes a person who teaches students. A. Nurse. B. Student. C. Teacher. D. Driver. 21. Which word is related to clothing? A. Shoe. B. Tree. C. River. D. Book. 22. What is the opposite of long? A. Tall. B. Short. C. Wide. D. Narrow. 23. Select the word that means a place to rest. A. School. B. Park. C. Bed. D. Market. 24. Which word describes something you see in the sky at night? A. Sun. B. Moon. C. Cloud. D. Tree. 25. What is the opposite of dark? A. Light. B. Heavy. C. Cold. D. Quiet. 26. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. She likes to eat for breakfast. A. Rice. B. Bread. C. Apples. D. All of the above. 27. Which word means not heavy? A. Light. B. Heavy. C. Big. D. Tall. 28. What is the opposite of fast? A. Slow. B. Quick. C. Busy. D. Loud. 29. Which word describes a person who plays music? A. Painter. B. Singer. C. Musician. D. Dancer. 30. Choose the best word to complete the sentence. The sky is during the day. A. Dark. B. Blue. C. Rainy. D. Cloudy. We're going to explore the building blocks of English grammar. Grammar is the system that helps us put words together correctly so others can understand us. We'll look at important topics like tenses, sentence structure, prepositions, and articles. Mastering grammar will make your speaking and writing clearer and more confident. So, let's get started and discover the keys to good English. 1. Their grandparents last weekend. A. Visit. B. Visited. C. Visiting. D. Will visit. 2. She English now. A. Study. B. Studies. C. Is studying. D. Studied. 3. I will a new book tomorrow. A. Buy. B. Bought. C. Will buy. D. Buying. 4. Correct the sentence. He don't like to eat vegetables. A. He doesn't like to eat vegetables. B. He not like to eat vegetables. C. He don't likes to eat vegetables. D. He didn't like to eat vegetables. 5. We to the park every Sunday. A. Go. B. Went. C. Going. D. Will go. 6. Which sentence is correct? A. She is playing the piano. B. She playing the piano. C. She is play the piano. D. She plays the piano. 7. The dog is hiding the table. A. In. B. On. C. Under. D. Between. 8. Choose the correct article. She is reading interesting book. A. B. An. C. The. D. Some. 9. They at the airport yesterday. A. Arrive. B. Arrived. C. Arriving. D. Will arrive. 10. Correct the sentence. I am going to the market yesterday. A. I went to the market yesterday. B. I am go to the market yesterday. C. I going to the market yesterday. D. I will go to the market yesterday. 11. My brother early every morning. A. Wake up. B. Wakes up. C. Waking up. D. Woke up. 12. By next year, I my school. A. Finish. B. Finished. C. Will finish. D. Will have finished. 13. The children are playing the yard. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. Under. 14. There are many apples in the basket. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. D. Were. 15. She TV right now. A. Not watch. B. Doesn't watch. C. Isn't watching. D. Didn't watch. 16. The book is the table. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. Under. 17. We will go vacation next month. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. To. 18. He any brothers. A. Don't have. B. Doesn't have. C. Didn't have. D. Has. 19. I have idea. A. An. B. A. C. The. D. Some. 20. Yesterday, she for her exam. A. Studies. B. Studied. C. Is studying. D. Will study. 21. The birds are flying the sky. A. In. B. On. C. Over. D. Under. 22. She can dance very well. Choose the correct form. A. She can dances very well. B. She can dance very well. C. She can dancing very well. D. She can danced very well. 23. He will be here 3 o'clock. A. At. B. On. C. In. D. By. 24. Which sentence is correct? A. I am going to school now. B. I going to school now. C. I am go to school now. D. I goes to school now. 25. The flowers are the garden. A. In. B. On. C. Under. D. At. 26. There are a lot of fun at the park. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. D. Were. 27. She breakfast every morning. A. Have. B. Has. C. Having. D. Had. 28. He found wallet on the ground. A. B. An. C. The. D. Some. 29. They are planning to visit their aunt the weekend. A. At. B. On. C. In. D. During. 30. Correct the sentence. We was playing football yesterday. A. We were playing football yesterday. B. We was play football yesterday. C. We are playing football yester.